how to allow calls and messages during Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, we go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Now scroll down to the Allow During Do Not Disturb section and tap on Calls and Messages. In here, you can choose Calls and Messages and select Allows Only Selected Contacts or Allow All Except Selected Contacts. So tap on Add Contacts and then choose who you want to allow, and tap on Done. Also allowed, so you can also allow calls, so choose Contacts Only, Favorite Contacts Only, or All. You can also turn on Repeat Callers, allow calls when they receive from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. As for messages, if you tap on that, you can choose All, Contacts Only, Favorite Contacts Only, or None. And that's it. That is how you can allow calls and messages during Do Not Disturb. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.